Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So, today we do all of the dances because we are on day 8. Oh my gosh, I am so excited, y'all. They have spoiled us with all of the deliciousness in this box, and I am so very excited because today we get a tool, y'all. I've already did my investigation, and due to how long this box is, it can't be anything else besides a fancy dancy tool. I'm like, is it gonna be a new tool that we've never seen before on the website? I am so excited to find that product in here that has never before been seen. But not gonna lie, Madame Glam's tools and brushes are of such amazing quality that the moment you use it, it's gonna be a staple in your collection. I can't get over like the bristles and like the brush end on the ombre brush and their application brush. And I can just go and their striping brush, the petal brush, the flat plaid brush, like they're all amazing. And they have gifted us today for Advent 8 the application brush. So I just quickly took out the beautiful phalange from yesterday because we actually showcased this product, this application brush, in yesterday's video. I didn't even know we were going to be unboxing this today, but it is like serendipitous that yesterday we were literally applying that pudding gel with their application brush, which is so luscious. And today we got a brand new spanking one. So let me tell you, this is gonna go in my little toolbox for when, because we do abuse to our brushes. As soon as my other brush gets a little frayed, I'll be able to upgrade her with this fancy dancy application brush. Y'all, I am just so very excited to start getting into all of the new polishes because then we're finally going to be able to do a full set with all of the goodies. Oh, thank you so very much for coming in to another day of Advent. And all of the items will be in the description box below. You better get this calendar before it sells out, y'all, because they have discounted it. There's all of these amazing sales going on the website. You got to run on over. Thank you so very much for watching today's video, and I can't wait to see you in tomorrow's. Mwah. And remember, do all things with love.